We're asked about the sum of 6 and a number. So we have 6 and summation plus and the number that we can choose, and we have n in the choices, so we can say 6 plus n as the right answer. If we had n plus 6 in the choices, that would also be true. Here we're asked about 3 times the number of books plus 4. So we say plus 4 and 3 times the number of books. And here B is chosen as the number of books. So I say 3 times the number of books as 3B plus 4. And this is the right answer. Or it could have been 4 plus B and 3B. Both are the same, equal. We are asked 7 less than 3 times of a number. So I have to put 7 less somewhere. And 3 times of a number, so I have to put 3 somewhere, and now I have to put that number. In the choices I see n, so I put n, 3n minus 7. In this question, Jack has 25 pens, and they ask us as his brother has m times as many as pens as Jack has. So we will have to write the expression of how many pens his brother has. So as we see here, Jack's brother has m times more pens than Jack has. So we have to write it as 25 times m, or we can say shortly 25m. Okay, Danny has 50 TSI math books at the beginning. And if he sells m math books per day for 6 days, so how many books does he sell? M math books for how long? For 6 days. And we're asked how many math books will he have left. So we have to subtract these from each other. So we have 50 minus 6m, which is the right answer. As we already know, the quotient means dividing. Therefore, we will have a number, say x, and the quotient of this number and 7 will be x divided by 7. This question may sound confusing at the beginning, but when we follow the instructions, the answer is right away. 6 times a number, so let's put the number's name, let's call it x as we have that in the choices. 6 times a number, so we have 6x here, plus the sum of 3 times a number, that number again, with the sum of here, let's not get confused, the sum of 3 times a number, so I have 3 here, and minus 4. Here, this means, plus minus 4 means minus 4 directly. So this is the answer. 8 more than twice a number, so I put that number again. Twice a number is this, and 8 more than that, so I have to add 8 to this. This is the answer. Here we're asked 6 decreased by, so 6 decreased by the quotient of a number, say that number is n, and 8. So quotient means dividing, so this is my answer. You can, if you want, you can put this in parentheses. That's it. Here we're asked 18 increased by a number is 30, so we have 18 here, increased by a number, say that number is n, is, or we can say is equal to 30. This is the expression. The product of 3 over 4 with a number can be given as n as in the choices, is going to be equal to 48. That's it. 2 times the sum of m and 6. Therefore, m and 6 must be added first. Therefore, we have to put these into parentheses, and our answer is here.